Hello everybody, Alex here with another edition of Momentum Charting. Today we are going to be talking about Facebook. If you would for me, go ahead and hit the like and then subscribe and hit the bell notification. It lets YouTube know that you want to see more videos just like this from me and gives other people a chance to see my videos as well. So thank you so much for that, and let's dive into Facebook. So we're here on a daily time frame. It's where we always start. On TradingView, Facebook broke out of this long-term triangle slash wedge right about March 22nd of this year, and has since been in this nice upward range where it's just kind of been holding here at this diagonal trend line on the daily. Additionally, we've got this potential diagonal support. Not 100% confident in this because we've only got 2 touch points, but it's a possibility for a trend line. And this one here is also a possibility for a trend line, but you can't argue with the fact that momentum is clearly to the upside right now. Zooming in a little bit, this is the potential channel that we were discussing yesterday that Facebook looked like it could be entering in. Nothing has really changed since then. Slight down day yesterday, modest recovery today, still just chopping sideways in what looks to be this narrow range, 338 to 358, around $20 or so, just going sideways nicely. And you know, Facebook overall still looking very, very, very strong. Wouldn't be surprised to see some more sideways chop into next week, potentially into late next week with the breakout. A couple of breakout candles on a 1-hour time frame would be perfect, so we could see our next leg up in Facebook. No reason to panic here, no reason to let go of your holdings. Let's take a look at the momentum of Facebook here. You can see overall just really how strong Facebook's been acting. We had this correction from May 28th through June 22nd. I call it correction just because it's got this downward sloping trend line. And you can see through all that time, let me get those the days again. May 27th through June 22nd. So May 22nd, right around here, around 317 through June 22nd. And you can see that the price actually moved up in that modest momentum correction. And you can kind of see the same thing almost happened here. It's like the momentum has just been on this little reset trajectory here since June 29th. But you can clearly see here that the price has hardly moved at all. Let's get this out of the way here. Since June 29th, I mean, prices have not come down substantially. We are still very nicely in this trend. So what I'm expecting to happen, again, sort of just sideways chop in this channel until we get a breakout of this downward momentum, just like we did here on June 23rd. Let's see, June, April, May, June 23rd, right around these areas. Then Facebook just took off here. Kind of expecting the same thing, maybe sideways, and then perhaps get a breakout here around, let's see, maybe 20th of July, maybe a week and change from now. Hard to say exactly what's going to happen, but there's absolutely no denying the strength of this move in Facebook and the basically complete lack of worry and momentum or other indications right now that are leading me to believe there's any reason for a slowdown of the price action to the upside in Facebook at this juncture. So continuing to hold, continuing to watch, looking for a breakout maybe in the next 10 or so trading days. Facebook still looking very good. Thanks so much for joining me on this video, guys. I think I'm going to shoot 1 or 2 more tonight, updates, and I hope to see you there. And thanks so much, and talk to everybody again soon. Bye for now.